Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making a riff on the Paper Plane. The Paper Plane is a cocktail by Sam Ross. I love his cocktails, many people do. He makes quite a few modern classic cocktails, namely the Paper Plane, the Penicillin, the Too Soon, which I've featured all of these on the channel before. So I'll leave a link in the description. I think I've made a playlist, so I'll save you guys some time, send a link to the playlist and you can check them all out. They're fantastic cocktails. And this one is the Avion de Papel, pronounced something like that, but it's a variation on the Paper Plane. So instead of bourbon whiskey, this is substituted for tequila, a Blanco Tequila. Then the next ingredient is Aperol, and then substitute Meletti, another Amaro in place of the Amaro Nino. And lemon juice. So 4 ingredients. They're all equal parts, 22.5 mil, 3/4 ounce. Nice and simple to remember. And yeah, let's get cracking on with the recipe. I found this cocktail on kindredcocktails.com. I think that's the address of the website. So I'll leave a link to one particular page on that site, which references a whole bunch of different Amaros, and it basically gives a profile. It runs through the percentage, the flavor profile, the color, the nose, all that kind of jazz, in a table kind of format. So it's really good. If your knowledge isn't great as far as Amaro goes, or as Amari goes, and if you want to substitute for something else. So it's worth checking out, worth having a read through. I think you guys will find it useful. Okay guys, before I get started on the cocktail, I want to tell you a little bit about today's giveaway. So the team from Original Grain got in touch. It started with 2 brothers, and they launched with a Kickstarter campaign and raised over $360,000 with their first watch. Now they've got a whole array of watches, and their key feature is incorporating timber into these stainless steel watches. So I know in the past they've worked with TaylorMade guitars, a whiskey brand, I think it was Jim Beam, and now they're launching a tequila watch. So while they used ex-tequila añejo barrels, ex-tequila barrels, to incorporate into these watches, and they're really, really cool. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to review it on the channel, and I said, how about you guys send me a watch and I'll give it away to one of my subscribers. So I'll quickly show you some of the features of the watch. I mean, it comes in this really awesome, high quality box. It's a really solid feel to the watch. And as you can see, it looks really nice. The accents, the timber features around the face and on the band just look like exceptional. It's a really cool watch. So if you guys want to enter and have a chance to win this watch, then just follow the link in the description below. And yeah, good luck. On to the cocktail. So let's get started with the cocktail itself. As I said, super easy. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil of your 4 ingredients. Blanco Tequila, I'm using Herradura. Aperol, likewise, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil. And I'm going to mix it up and measure out 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mil of Amaro Meletti. So this one's like cola-like in color. I'm going to give it a straight taste actually. From memory, bit of citrusy kind of notes. Sarsaparilla, herbal. Out of all the Amari, it's one of the like entry level. It's like not overly bitter. It's balanced out with that sugar content, kind of like a Verna. I liken it to that, where you could, it's an entry level of Amaro that's not too bitter. Delicious. Lemon juice, next ingredient. 22.5 ml Fill the shaker with ice, shake for 12 seconds. And into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. Same color as the original paper plane. And of course, if you want to garnish, the most popular way to do it is a little folded paper plane with a peg pegged onto the side. Keep it simple. Let the ingredients speak for itself. They have an Avion de Papel, however you pronounce it. That's a tasty riff. It's like citrusy and subtle bitterness to it. I think the Meletti, like in comparison to the Nino is citrusy and vanilla. There's a little bit more sarsaparilla cola-like. There's some similarities, but still it's quite a different Amari. But the tequila still stands through. You get those agave notes. I mean, as you can probably see, like, it's incredibly easy to drink. Would I use it to replace the paper plane? I'm not too sure. It's fun to experiment, change ingredients, change from a bourbon to tequila, but I think it works better with the bourbon, especially with a higher proof, but I still enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'll leave the links in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.